defensive driving school. Get defensive.
Came in together, but you held me. The process, walking right through that door at the entry, I can't seem to remember. The lights were so bright and the disco ball blurred in the turn of that night, but it was perfect. I was told the tux was starched and all. Grabbed the glass of punch, nervousness struck, stood by that wall, arms folded. Myself I didn't know yet till you came over, stood by me. You posted, put your hand out like I was stranded. You tried to pull me on that dance floor. I stepped backwards. See, I wasn't ready yet, but you were my medicine. You showed me that trust through that love that you held me with. Our backs against the wall, as the DJ would spin. The soundtrack had changed as he played that mix. Our lives flashed in front of us, just a glimpse. We were together and experienced this. I didn't want to, but you filled me up from the bottom of my heart. And as we walked through that gymnasium that I've been watching, feeling like my chest would explode from